A great selling point of the Honeywell Electrode Humidifier is that it comes with a replaceable canister. When the canister is spent, the humidifier will stop operating and the yellow LED will flash in a repeating pattern of 4 flashes. Canister life will vary based on usage and water quality. Replacing the canister involves 3 simple steps, starting with removing the current canister. First, move the on-off drain switch to the drain position. Let the humidifier drain until no more water is flowing out to drain. Be careful as the water might be hot. Then move the switch to off. Close the supply water shutoff valve. Then use the external disconnect to turn off power to the humidifier. Remove the 2 screws securing the front cover. Then remove the canister plugs from the canister pins by pulling them vertically. Using a flat screwdriver, loosen the hose clamp where the hose is connected to the canister. Tip the top of the canister forward to pivot it out of the steam hose. Once it's free of the steam hose, lift the canister out. Because the scale from the spent canister may have fallen into the drain valve and may prevent proper operation, always clean it before installing a new canister. It must be removed and disassembled for proper cleaning. First, disconnect the spade terminals from the drain valve. Remove the 2 screws holding the valve to the drain pan. Squeeze the tabs of the spring clamp holding the hose to the drain valve and slide it up the hose. Now you can pull the hose from the drain valve and lift the drain valve from the drain pan. Next, unsnap the red coil cap on the solenoid and remove the solenoid from the valve. Using a wrench, loosen the brass nut that holds the actuator to the plastic housing, and then disassemble the actuator. Clean the actuator components and valve housing, including the inlet port, outlet port, and canister port. Take the new O-ring that was supplied with the new canister and put it into the valve. Now, reassemble the actuator, making sure the tapered end of the spring is oriented as shown here. Hand tighten the brass nut and then use the wrench to tighten it another 1/4 turn. Clean out the end of the hose and reattach it to the valve. Then slide the hose clamp back into place and place the valve into the drain pan. Finish the cleaning by securing the valve with 2 screws. A new drain valve is available if needed. Now you're ready to install the new canister. Insert it into the drain valve. Tilt the canister forward and fit the end of the steam hose to the steam outlet. Then tip the canister back into place. Next, tighten the hose clamp, being careful not to over-tighten and crush the plastic canister steam outlet. Attach the color-coded canister plugs to the corresponding color-coded canister pins. Push them down completely to ensure a good connection. Next, connect the high water sensor plug. Spring-loaded plugs should fit snugly onto the canister pin, so replace them if they're loose or damaged. Replace the humidifier cover and secure it with the 2 screws. Now you can turn the power back on with the external disconnect. Open the supply water shutoff valve and return the switch to the on position. The canister installation is complete. The easy canister replacement of the Honeywell Electrode Humidifier keeps your customers happy while providing you with the potential for ongoing revenue through canister sales and maintenance opportunities. To learn more about the Honeywell Electrode Humidifier, view the installation video, refer to your installation guide, contact the Honeywell Technical Support Team, or visit forwardthinking.honeywell.com.